What if I told you that a tiny bumblebee, with a brain smaller than a grain of sand, can understand something very similar to Morse code? Scientists at Queen Mary University of London discovered this surprising skill while studying how bees react to flashes of light. They built a small maze with two glowing circles. One flashed for a short moment, like a dot. The other flashed for a longer moment, like a dash. The short flash meant sweet sugar. The long flash meant a bitter taste bees naturally avoid. But the scientists didn't make it easy. They kept moving the light signals around so the bees couldn't rely on scent or memory. To find the sugar, the bees had to pay attention to the timing of the flash. Soon, the bees started choosing the short flash every time. They had learned the difference between a dot and a dash. Then came the real test. The researchers removed all rewards. No sugar, no bitter taste. Only the flashing lights remained. And still, most bees went straight to the short flash. That means they were using timing alone, just like humans do when reading Morse code. This is amazing because bees have tiny brains. Yet they can judge short and long signals, a skill once thought to belong only to humans and larger animals. So, can bees understand Morse code? Not exactly, but they can read the rhythm of dots and dashes. And that small ability opens big questions about how all brains keep time.